Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Hani. I'm a member of product engineering team for the custom design environment of Siemens EDA. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we can perform physical design verification sign-off flow, mainly running the DRC. So on the left side here, you can see the SEdit displaying the schematics of a comparator. On the right side, this is the layout view inside Edit. So to run Calibre, we can go to Tools, Calibre, then you would find the list of available tools. The other way to invoke that is to go to the toolbar section, right click and enable Calibre tools. Once Calibre Interactive starts, you can either select one of the predefined run sets, or you can simply go to Rules section, add the Foundry rule deck. In this section, you can also select the recipe, whether you will run all checks or front end of line checks or whatever recipe. For the inputs, it's set automatically to export from layout viewer, and all the other fields will be pre-populated. If there is any issue with accessing or this intermediate file already exists, there will be a warning sign. Then we will press DRC. There are some run controls over here, and in this run control, we set up the result viewing environment to automatically open once the interactive session completes. In this view, you can see there is only one rule that has 4 violations, and it's about corner to corner spacing. So we can highlight it in the layout. So you can see that it's zooming to the right section. We can select metal 1 and then control and middle mouse button to toggle the selection, and this is the affected area. From the description on the mouse cursor, you can see once we hover towards the edge of the polygon, it changes to be edit, and this edit using the middle mouse button can help us to move the edge. I will move it enough to fix this red section. I will go back and run DRC again, and once it completes, you would see that the RVE window completes and refreshed, and you can see all the rules have been passing. On the right side here, you can clear all the highlights and fit to screen, and the complete layout is there. If you need other sign-off tools, you can press this toolbar and you can create LVS, parasitic extraction, exact, Calibre perk, or any other Calibre sign-off tool. Thank you.